Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Say, I just wanted to create a real short video about the wallet and give you some instructions as to how to utilize that wallet for people that don't have credit cards. So let me go right to that. You know, there's a couple of different ways of getting money into your wallet. The first way is to take money from your commissions and have that transferred into your wallet. So if you'll go down and go to transfer credit right here, click on that, that'll open up this page and you can then determine how much of the next commission you would like to move from either going to your Payoneer MasterCard or going to the bank and just put it into your wallet. So I do that. I do that occasionally, there's another way. So you can take money right from there and put it in there, and it's a one-time situation. So each and every time you want to put money into your wallet, you have to go to this transfer credit and then put it in. The other way is to actually send money. You can send money to the company. You can do a wire to the company and they'll put it into your wallet for you. What I've been doing and helping people do is having them send me a PayPal. You can open up a PayPal account. Very simple. Just go to paypal.com. They will verify your checking account, and then you can move money from your checking account to PayPal, and then you can send it to me, and then as soon as I receive it, I can deposit, and I'm going to show you how to do a couple of those things. So on the home page, once you have credit, and I know I only have 92 cents in there right now. I did have a whole lot of credit, but that's kind of disappeared today. So you have a new link. You know, this is only there if you have money in your wallet. I can click sign. So I can either take that money in my wallet and transfer it to somebody else. So I can put in somebody's ID, don't necessarily have to have their username, but I can put in an ID number. I'll just do that. 193, here's a buddy of mine that we've been going back and forth and I've been helping him. And then I just come down here to transfer credit, right? And then it asks for the amount. So I'm gonna put a whole 92 cents. And so the system will work. Then it goes ahead and searches for that person, and there he is. And then it just asks me to issue the credit. When I click issue the credit, it says, are you sure you want to credit this account? So in this instance, I'm not going to. I'm not going to send them 92 cents. But if I wanted to, then I could go ahead and do that. So the other thing that I wanted to show you, if somebody, you're signing up somebody brand new, so that's getting credit into another one of your distributors' wallet, right? Instantaneous, right? No matter where. I can go to create new user and click this to order product, right? And what it does, it automatically gives me a form to fill out to make that new person an independent representative. Now, I can change that to preferred customer if I'd like to, or independent representative. And, here's the information. Now, obviously, I'm not going to, use his information, but so what you have to do here, guys, is just fill it out, first name, last name, email, phone number. You put together a username. I usually use first name, last name, or first initial, last name, or first name, last initial, something, something easy to remember. I usually use a password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because they're going to change it. When they get logged into their back office under their personal information, they can change the username, they can change the password. Then it's just a matter of filling out the shipping information, going and ordering whatever product or products you want to order. I mean, there's a business builder pack. Let's do that. Now it's not going to let me do anything because I haven't filled out that form. So I'm going to get a bunch of error message here in a second. But you just come down to click on continue. And like I said, a bunch of error message. So, and it says you don't have enough credit. You've got 92 cents to cover your order for $622.43. So, but that's how easy it is. And after you finish step 2, which is the product selection and doing all of that stuff, it'll give you step 3, which is the confirmation. The confirmation will give you all the information, let you look at it, make sure and make any changes that you have to make there before you click continue. And it'll ask you, are you sure you want to pay for this, and issue the credit? And you say yes, and it automatically happens. So very, very, very simple. Great way to process things if you're having trouble with credit cards or so on and so forth. Just an easy way to facilitate getting money and making purchases without going through a credit card situation. So, hey guys, I hope that was helpful. Like I said, it's not very difficult. So just go ahead and try it. If you need any help, just give me a shout.